The Afrikaans Fun Factory with Miss Ami. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to speak about verlede tyd, past tense in Afrikaans. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to change any sentence from present tense to past tense, van teenwoordige tyd na verlede tyd. And we also have two very important helpers that's going to help us and show us how we can do that. The first helper, het. And the last one, but not the least, ge. Die storie van verlede tyd. The story of past tense. Our story begins with a sentence. Let's read the sentence together. Ek speel met die bal. I play with the ball. Just like every other story, our story has very important characters. Our first character is ek, also known as die koningin or the queen. But ek can also be referred to as a voornaamwoord, a pronoun. This queen has been struggling with a villain. And this villain, his name is speel. Villain or skurk. This villain can also be called a werkwoord, a verb. And in a town, there will always be people, and the rest of our sentence are those people. Met die bal. So these people have had enough of this villain, and they decided to come up with a plan to get him out of their town. So they decided to tell the queen about two very important people that will help immediately. The first one is het. Now het is our knight in shining armor, ons ridder. And het has a very important job. He needs to stand in front of the queen at all times and make sure that nothing can harm the queen. So that's what he's going to do. But he is so upset with this villain that he decides that he's going to kick him out of the town with his foot. But are we still safe? I mean, any villain can come back into the town. We need someone that can protect the whole town. So the second important person is ge. And ge is called our bodyguard, ons lijfwag. Ge needs to be attached to the villain to make sure that he can do no harm and that he stays out of trouble. Let's see how. When we put ge and speel together, we create a word, gespeel, which already takes us back into the past. Because ge means something that already happened. This sentence is looking a bit weird. Let's put it in order. So we know that the villain was kicked out of the town. There he is. Speel has been kicked out of our sentence to the back. And the queen, die koningin, is staying on her throne. She has to stay there. But now we can see that we have two open spaces. Anything can come in there and come hurt the queen or come hurt the townspeople. So we need our knight in shining armor and our bodyguard. Let's put them in their right places. Now we have het, the knight, in his place where he needs to be to protect the queen. But we also need to make sure that the town people stay safe. So the bodyguard goes in to his place and is attached to the villain. Let's read the sentence together. Ek het met die bal gespeel. I can hear one word here. Gespeel. It's not gespeel, it's one word. Let's read it a bit faster. Ek het met die bal gespeel. And now our queen is safe, and the people of the town are safe, and the villain will stay on his place where he belongs, and the bodyguard is attached to him. The knight is in front of the queen where he belongs. Let's see if you remember what we learned. Let's go through the sentences. Voltooi hierdie op jou eie. Complete these on your own. Let's go read through them. Number 1. Ek lees 7 boeke. I read 7 books. Number 2. Ek hardloop baie vinnig. I run very fast. Nummer 3. My mama jaag die stoute hond. My mom chases the naughty dog. Number 4. My sister slaap op haar bed. My sister sleeps on her bed. And number 5. Ek skryf baie mooi. I write very neatly. Thank you for learning with Ms. Ami. If you have any questions or need help with anything, please feel free to send me a message or comment. Thank you and have an amazing day.